Hello, welcome again to my channel. Here comes a nice algebraic math problem which read 4 to the power of a plus 4 to the power of a plus 4 to the power of a equals to 120, and we are looking for the possible value for a. So let's provide a solution to this problem. So if you are new here, kindly subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification button so that you get notified whenever I drop videos on math. So see solution. Okay, I'll write a question which is 4 to the power of a plus 4 to the power of a plus 4 to the power of a is equals to 120. Okay, we can see here that 4 to the power of a is common. Okay, so we can easily factor 4 to the power of a. So this is 4 to the power of a, open bracket, 4 to the power of a divided by this, we are having 1, plus 4 to the power of a divided by 4 to the power of a, we are having 1, plus 4 to the power of a divided by 4 to the power of a, we are having 1, close the bracket, is equals to 120. Okay, having this, what are we simply going to do? We are having 4 to the power of a, bracket 1 plus 1 plus 1, close the bracket, equals to 120. So we can write this to be 4 to the power of a, bracket 1 plus 1 plus 1 is going to give us 3, close bracket, equals to 120. Okay, having done this, the next thing we can do is to divide both sides by 3. So we are having 4 to the power of a is equals to 120 divided by 3. So having done this, we are going to have 4 to the power of a is equals to 120 divided by 3. We are left with 40. So this is what we are now having. So the next thing we are going to do is to take the log of base 4 on both sides. So we are going to take the log of base 4 on both sides. So if we should do that, we are having log of 4 to the power of a to base 4 is equals to log 40 to base 4. Okay, this is exactly what I'm trying to say. Okay, from here we are going to apply a rule which says we are having log a to the power of c to base b is also equals to, so this will be coming to the back, it's also equals to c log a to base b. So if we put this principle here, we have this to be a log 4 to the power of 4, okay, so log 4 to base 4 is equals to log 40 to base 4. Okay, so from here, at this point, we are going to apply a rule which says we are having log a to a is also equals to 1. So we can say a times 1 is equals to log 40 to 4. Okay, so we can see from here a is equals to log 40 to base 4. So we can simplify this further. By solving this again. 40 is equals to 4 times 10. Okay, so if we put this principle here, we have this to be a is equals to log of 4 to base 4, open bracket, 4 times 10. Okay, we are going to apply the product rule logarithm, which is log a times b is also equals to log a plus log b. So if we put this principle here, we have this to be a is equals to log 4 to base 4 plus log 10 to base 4. Okay, so our a is equals to 1 plus log 10 to, we are having 10 here, log 10 to base 4. So my a is equals to 1 plus log 10 to base 4. So this is my value for a. So let's substitute this value into our previous equation to see whether we are accurate. Okay, if we move forward. Okay, since this is our question and we've gotten the value for a, I will say a is equal to 1 plus log 10 to base 4. Let's substitute all these values into this. So we have this to be 4 to the power of 1 plus log 10 to base 4, okay, plus 4 to the power of 1 plus log 10 to base 4, okay, plus 4 to the power of 1 plus log 10 to base 4, okay, equals to unknown 120. So we want to prove whether is equals to 120. So from here we can see that we're having 4 to the power of 1 plus log 10 to base 4 plus 4 to the power of 1 plus log 10 to base 4 plus 4 to the power of 1 plus log 10 to base 4 equals to 120. So we want to prove whether it's accurate. Okay, so from here we are going to apply a rule which says we are having a to b plus c is also equals to a to b times a to c. So if you put this principle in all this, so we can have this to be 4 to the power of 1 times 4 to the power of log 10 to base 4, okay, plus put 4 to the power of 1 times 4 to the power of log 10 to base 4, okay, plus 4 to the power of 1 times 4 to the power of log 10 to base 4 equals to unknown our 120. Okay, from here we can see 4 to the power of 1 is common, right? Or 4 to the power of all these are common. So if we should factor them out, we have this to be 4 to the power of 1 times 4 to the power of log 10 to base 4, open bracket, this divided by this, we are left with 1. This divided by this plus 1. This divided by this plus 1, close bracket, is equals to unknown 120. Okay, so from here we are going to sum them up. So we are having 4 to the power of 1 times 4 to the power of log 10 to base 4, open bracket, 1 plus 1 plus 1 is going to give us 3, is equals to unknown 120. So from here we can solve further using this part. So 4 to the power of 1 times 4 to the power of log 10 to 4, open bracket, 3 equals to unknown 120. Okay, so from this part we are going to apply a rule which says a to the power of log b to a to the power of log b to a is also equals to b. Okay, it's also equals to b. So from here, if we put this principle here, we have this to be 4 to the power of 1 times, so this principle here now, apply it here, we're having 10, open bracket, 3, close bracket, is equals to unknown our 120. Okay, so 4 to the power of 1 is the same thing as 4, so we're having 4 times 10, okay, open bracket, 3 is equals to unknown our 120. Okay, so 4 times 10 is going to give us 40, open bracket, 3, close bracket, unknown our 120. So 3 times 40 is going to give us 120, is equals to 120. So the value of a, which says our a is equals to 1 plus log 10 to base 4 is accurate. So if you find this video interesting and useful, click on the subscription button and turn on the notification bell. Bye bye, and see you in my next video. God bless you. Jesus loves you.